The Garmin FENIX 8 has been a top contender in the world of high-performance smartwatches, but now it's even better with the latest software update. Garmin has rolled out a game-changing update for the FENIX 8, version 11.89, promising enhanced features, improved connectivity, and increased stability. We're diving deep into these new upgrades and putting them to the test to see how they enhance the overall user experience. The Garmin FENIX 8 has always offered solid connectivity features, but the latest update takes things up a notch. Version 11.89 improves the watch's ability to sync with smartphones and other devices, ensuring smoother data transfer and quicker access to notifications. This seamless integration means you can now manage your fitness tracking, GPS, and even third-party apps more effortlessly than ever before. One of the biggest complaints among users of the FENIX 8 was the occasional system crash, especially when saving activities. Garmin listened to the feedback, and the 11.89 update directly addresses this issue, ensuring you no longer lose your hard-earned data. One of the biggest complaints among users of the FENIX 8 was the occasional system crash, especially when saving activities. Garmin listened to the feedback, and the 11.89 update directly addresses this issue, ensuring you no longer lose your hard-earned data. Garmin didn't just stop at bug fixes. The FENIX 8 now offers several new features to enhance user experience. One standout is the improved display brightness, which adjusts seamlessly whether you're indoors or under the sun. Voice commands have also been added, allowing you to control key functions hands-free, ideal when you're on the move. Performance enhancements are a major focus of the 11.89 update. Users will notice quicker app loading times and smoother navigation, especially when using resource-heavy applications like GPS and fitness tracking. For instance, those who primarily use the FENIX 8 for basic fitness tracking can expect their battery to last even longer between charges. On the flip side, for users who push the watch to its limits with features like always-on GPS and third-party apps, the battery gains might be less noticeable. While Apple excels in its app ecosystem and user-friendly design, Garmin's FENIX 8 is the clear choice for serious athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. Garmin's focus on rugged durability, superior GPS tracking, and long battery life makes it a better option for those who need a device that can withstand the elements. The Garmin FENIX 8, bolstered by its latest 11.89 update, continues to dominate in the world of outdoor and fitness wearables. With improved stability, enhanced performance, and a suite of new features, it stands tall among its competitors. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.